J into K R23 regulation set number 4 second BTech second semester regular examination 2025 మే మంత్లో జరిగినటువంటి ఎగ్జామ్ అండి. ఇది లీనియర్ కంట్రోల్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఈసీ బ్రాంచ్. పార్ట్ ఏ 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఒకటిలో ఏ వాట్ ఈజ్ మీట్ బై ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్, what is an SISO control system, give an example, list the features of servo motor, what is the transfer function of DC servo motor, what is meant by marginally stable system, what is Roth stability criterion, what is the frequency response, and list out the different frequency domain specifications, define resonant peak bracket lo delta R, resonant frequency delta F, what is state equation, what is state transition matrix. Part B 10 marks questions. Second lo A unit 1 nunchi what is a control system, explain with different example, derive the transfer function of rotational mechanical systems. Unit 2 నుంచి తాలు ఏ explain the following: steady state error, positional errors constant, velocity error constant, acceleration error constant, step response. And B represent the electrical network, show in the figure state model in physical variable from. యూనిట్ 3 నుంచి 4th లో ఏ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ రూత్ ఎరే అండ్ డిటర్మైన్ ద స్టెబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ది సిస్టమ్ whose characteristics equation is s power 5 plus 2s power 5 plus 8s power 4 plus 12s power 3 20s power 2 plus 16s plus 16 is equal 0. And B draw the root locus diagram for the system g f of s that is equal k by s, s plus 1, s plus 2, and find the value of k which given the complex closed loop pole pair of damping ratio of 0.5. Unit 4 నుంచి 5th లో ఏ consider the open loop transfer function g power s that is equal k by s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. Obtain a frequency response plot for this system when the k greater than 0 and less than infinity, and by using the Nyquist criterion find the range of value of k over the which is unity feedback closed loop system will be stable. And B sketch the board plot for the system having following transfer function: g of s is equal 15 s plus 5 by s square plus 16s plus 100. Unit 5 6 లో a question, obtain the state model for the given transfer function y power s by u power s that is equal 1 by s square plus s plus 1. B the system represented by the differential equation, find the transfer function from state variable representation. Thank you. Set 3, set 2, set 1 and set 4 different వీడియోస్లో అప్లోడ్ జరిగిందండి. ఈ 4 సెట్స్లో ఏ రిలేటెడ్ మోడల్ కానీ కామన్గా ఏ మోడల్ వస్తుందో చూసుకొని జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.